Welcome to Women's Financial Empowerment Group. I'm your host, Ruth Agbeloso. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you've been here before, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Please go ahead and like, share, do all those wonderful things. Oh, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know whenever I upload a new video. On this channel, we discuss all things financial. I am a financial coach, and it's my job to help you get from point A to point B in your financial journey. So if you think financial coaching may be right for you, go ahead and see my information in the description box, and let's figure out whether or not we'd be a good fit to work together. In today's video, I want to talk to you about how having a revolving savings account can help you achieve success with your budgeting. But before I get into today's topic, I want to let you know I have a special announcement at the end of this video, so stay with me until the end so you'll know what it is. Let's get into today's topic. Are you working on a budget and new to it? When you first start out, it could be a little bit challenging. You have to have these neat little categories, and then you have to make sure you don't go over on your spending. Good thing we have apps and spreadsheets to help us with that, right? Now, what do you do with those items that don't seem to fit into any of your neat little categories? Like car maintenance costs and birthday gifts and gym memberships that are yearly. There are other different things that come up on a regular basis, but they're not on a monthly basis. What do you do with those things? What I like to do is lump them all together in a miscellaneous category. So let's just call it, for today's purposes, miscellaneous. So put all those things in there. Now, what do you do with them? You have to prepare for those things because they do occur on a pretty regular basis. But the key thing is to keep them separate from your regular expenses that are monthly. But you want to make sure that you're preparing for them. I believe that a revolving savings account is a great way to do that. A revolving savings account is a savings account set aside for expenses that you expect to come up, but they're not your regular monthly expenses. The first thing you'll need to figure out is how much to put into the account. To do this, you're going to want to take your credit card statements and bank accounts and receipts and see how much you spent on each item. Then you're going to add them up and divide by 12, for the amount of months in a year. Or you can just decide ahead of time how much you're going to spend on each of those items and then calculate that out together to come up with an amount to put into the account. Easy enough so far, right? Now you're going to want to open that revolving savings account. It could be a high yield savings account or a regular savings account, but it's definitely better than keeping it under your mattress, right? What you're going to want to do is have a certain amount deposited into that account on a monthly basis. You can connect it to a debit account and take the money out and pay directly from that account, or you can use a credit card and then use the money in that account to pay it back. But the point is, your money is going to go in and out of that account to make sure that all of those other items are paid. I hope this has been helpful to you. Please go ahead and give a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe, all those wonderful things. And here is my big announcement. I wanted to let you know that I do have a private Facebook group that I would like to invite you to. It's called Women's Financial Empowerment Group, and in parentheses, WFEG. So please go ahead and see that information in the description box and feel free to join us. I would love to have you as part of our group. In this group, we talk about many different money topics, and it's a community where you can get support and encouragement along your journey, wherever you are when it comes to your finances. So please go ahead and join us. The one stipulation is you must be a woman because it's an all-woman group. So I hope that I get to see you there. Thank you so much for watching this video and liking it and subscribing. And remember, change your mind, change your pocketbook.